Actually, very good morning, all my viewers, my friends. So, today I would like to explain and watch live at the present time. I am standing at the top of my bungalow and I am capturing all over the view after getting up in the morning. And as you can watch, view has become very pleasant, very awesome, and all over the activity is going on. So I would like to explain and showing and try level my best to mention everything so you can watch. All over the ground has already covered with the water, and there is nothing but around here water and greenery, so you can watch because uh, it has been raining 2 days continuously, day and night, around the clock. So that's why water is falling, much water. So everywhere you can watch, water has already filled, and nobody can go to the outside for do some of the work, cannot do purchase, do anything whatever everybody want to do in their life, because we have already stayed in a house for 2 or 3 days. So that's why we cannot do anything in our life in during the day, and even then children cannot go to the outside for play, and they have already they understand that we have already caught in a cage, prisoner in a cage. So that's why they wanted to go to the outside for play, but due to the DM has already declared 2 or 3 days holidays, and school will not open due to the heavy rain, also declared with the weather department. So that's why don't need to go to the outside, go to the school, and they are feeling very nervous in the but in a daytime they keep on enjoying in the rain and by the taking bath and discuss. But all the time they had to stay in a house, and they keep on thinking, what do I do, how do we spend our time, because they are children. They always try to know, very curious, and new things. So that's why they are feeling little bit bored, but due to the weather we cannot do anything, and we have to face all over the difficulties in our life. And it is a God provide everything, and God provide all over the happiness and difficulties. But we have to face, we have to go through this bad situation, and weather has become terrible badly. And as you watch, wind is also blowing. With the wind, rain is falling. So that's why rain continuously falls. So all over the people disturbed due to their work, and don't need to go to the outside. So that's why at least we don't need to much rain, and everyone wants to pray of the God. You have to stop, and after some time again you can fall the rain. Otherwise uh, people, how can they survive their life? So that's why I am capturing, and I could not able to stop myself and seeing this view, and I would like to start. I started watching and capturing all over the view and enjoying. Today I don't need to go to the outside for morning walk, so that's why I am standing at my bungalow or the top and capturing all over the view, and I am explaining, because it is my everyday story to capture and explain all over the view, all over the actions is going on, and how can we survive our life. So that's why I am explaining, and it is due to do this type action, and I keep on practicing, and it is my habitual. So due to my habit, and it is not a piece cake. It is a piece cake for me, not a big deal, because due to more than more practice, and I can get everything, and I never thought that I would speak, I would explain, I would thought like this, and so that's why you we all over person, we can learn, we can move, we can achieve something, whatever we want to get in our life. So by the discussing, by the explaining, by the conversation like this, and all over the things and action is going on in our in front of us. So that's why after watching, and we can explain very easily and make a fluency by the discussing, by the conversation, by the share our opinion. So I never forgot in my rest of my life. So and due to the more than more practice, I will definitely grow in my life. So that's why I had to do like this, and I am having to capturing only for this video, and it is not my intention to disturb of the others, only for build up, only for grow my fluency, and it is my habitual. And when I teach my children also follow me, and they can understand, they can speak like this, so they will definitely follow. But they are a student, they are a child, they are a small kids, and they cannot open their mind a huge, because they have no idea. So that's why when we spend our time, when we teach them, it is a good way, and it is a better way. So they will definitely try their level, but as much as possible, they can try to open fearlessly, because in this age, if they have become a fearlessly, so entire their life they will not feel nervous, they will not feel shy and embrace. So that's why it is my priority to share my opinion with my children and teach them. So whatever I have knowledge and I have experience, so I can until unless I can handle them, I can lead them, so I will do otherwise. And as you watch, weather has become very very pleasant, and again I would like to come, and in all over the Uttarakhand, I don't know about the other state, but all over the Uttarakhand has already rainfall continuously 2 or 3 days. So that's why we have to face this. And yesterday we discussed at our home in a Haryana. So they told me here it's very very sticky and terrible hot, and we need to rain, but here rain has already crossed their limit, and they have already turned in a flood like a bird. And when we come to know about through the news, there are many bridges, there are many road has already broken due to the heavy rain, due to the rainfall, and some of the mountain has already slide, and trees has already broken, and some people has already drawn in the water, and like that there are many type of news we have to heard and we come to know about. In this area it's very very badly rainfall, and water level is already increased, and we go to the outside and we see small drain, and small river is also overflow or has fully of the water and has become a overflow, and all over the water level has crossed the limit bank and till ground. So that's why if rain keep on falling continuously like this, so we will have to face much difficulties, and we it's very difficult for everyone because thundering is also sounding rain is also started to become very fastly sometimes. It's drops continuously falling, so it is not a little bari, but it is a much rain, so that's why we have to face this problem. But we need a rainy, because due to the rainy season it is a necessary, but it's much in a particular area. And as you know, Uttarakhand is also hilly area and greenery area, so that's why I think every year much rainfall in this area. Otherwise, need to the water in Haryana, Rajasthan, MP, and like this type of state keep on waiting of the rain because the water level has go deeply. So that's why, and I have already explained, try level my best because it is my everyday story. So I hope you will watch this video till end and try to explain due to the my understanding level, and I try learn my best, so you can watch and till end. Thank you everyone.